Hello all and welcome to Select EV News. And here is the first news. On November 21st, an Ahmedabad-based startup launched an electric bike in our India. This bike is very interesting and comes with more interesting features. This bike has some features that are not available in electric bike industry so far, but the bike has been given. First feature is all about gears. In the present days, there is no gear system in electric bikes. In this bike, there is riding mode option. We can adjust by this. We can adjust RPM with the help of some gearbox. And this is the first company which has introduced the gear system. Matter company has introduced 4-speed hyper-shift manual gearbox in this bike. 4 gears were given in the first electric vehicle industry. And apart from that, ABS was also discussed in this bike. This is no ABS in the electric bike. This is the first bike introduced which was introduced ABS. ABS means anti-lock braking system. It will help us from without gears skid, and they also introduced battery liquid cooling technology. This is the bike which was introduced battery liquid cooling technology. Coming up to the range, it gives a 10.5 kilowatts chain drive system. This means that whatever power is going from the motor to the chain. They did not reveal any top speed and range of the bike. Coming to the battery, they use 5 kilowatt and this is non-removable battery. With this bike, we are getting 6A 3-pin charger in 5 hours. It will charge fully. In this bike was coming with 4 to 5 colors. They did not reveal any top speed, range, launch booking dates also. There is a change of release in 2023.
Wanted to locate nearby charging stations? Wanted to know about discounts and offers from dealers? Looking for electric vehicle accessories? Then download Select EV application. You will find every information regarding electric vehicle.
Next news. The government policy if issuing permit for commercial EVs at zero free that was passed 2 years ago is now resumed. For the issues raised by the vehicle's owners against state transport, they have called on this issue permit again. Nitin Gadkari, the road transport minister, has notified this restart this norm when the issue came to his notice. The EV operators claimed that the central government must ensure that all the states abide by such rules and should not ask for NEET permits. Next, we are jumping to the other news. For a better electric mobility in India, Amazon and TVS have collaborated for 2-wheeler and 3-wheeler vehicles. To ensure this, the vehicles will be deployed for Amazon last mile deliveries. The collaboration will increase the vehicle reach through partnerships and delivery associates across the country. Meeting the Amazon goal if inducting 10,000 EVs by 2025 along with the supporting supply chain is envisaged through this partnership, says Amazon's spokesperson. By 2030, Amazon commits to deliver 10,000 EVs to the world. With TVS iQube Electric being successful, MSNU Saxena, the Vice President of TVS, counts for the expansion. Here is our next news. New EV policy with 12 schemes in Haryana. Political decision maker says that this policy is to promote EVs and the large manufacturing in the state. New infrastructure allowances are including along with incentives for EV buyers in the policy. Few of the schemes include purchase incentives for buyers, charging and battery swapping station scheme, net SGST reimbursement scheme, capital subsidy scheme, employment generation subsidy scheme, etc. Within 45 days of the portal going live, the buyers can make best advantage of the policy. Here is our next news. 20 years old Segway 9 boat has been a leader of e-bike segment through its electric kick scooter, a key element in transforming urban mobility. In China, its home country, Segway 9 boat has launched a new model, UIFI, which is its third-down e-scooter. UIFI is just 1.2 meters, for it is a stand-up kick scooter with a seat so that it can drive on for a longer time. It is perhaps legally approved by China. The creators claim that its maximum distance in one charge can be 45 kilometers. Its maximum speed is expected to be 32 kilometers per hour. It has some nifty tech that allows rubber side down. Its specifications include 33 kg weight, 680 mm seat height, smartphone connection to control the bike through app. Vehicle cost is 2,999 yuan or $418 US. Here is our next news. It is from MV Agusta. MV Agusta has designed the Amphiglio in a radical way, which is known for producing popular bikes in the bike world. Italian manufacturer MV Agusta has taken the wraps of its first electric scooter concept called the Amphiglio. The e-scooter has been made in partnership with Kimco and is likely to be based on the latter's S7 electric scooter. If the Kimco S7 does end up serving as an underpinning, the Amphiglio is expected to come with a 4.1 kWh motor and a range of about 136 km. Interestingly though, the concept scooter draws inspiration from MV's iconic scooters like the CGT and O1. Coming to the features, Amphiglio to sport riding modes, full LED lighting, ABS, keyless ignition and the works. However, there is also no about its production timeline. With MV Agusta jumping on the e-wave with its electric kick scooters and kit bikes, it won't be long before the Amphiglio goes into production. Late 2023, maybe. And we are moving to the other news. Rapti Energy is a Chennai-based electric vehicle startup company that is planning to start the sales of the vehicles in the coming months. Not just this, but they are also exploring some investors who can fund their startup. The company representative was spotted in the Chennai markets during the bike test. On inquiring, he said that he works for the company and was probably riding the new upcoming model of the company, which can be part of the test. Dinesh Arjun, CEO and co-founder of Rapti Energy, said that the motorcycle would compete with 250cc and 500cc vehicles. The company is working on a different vehicle that will go on sale in 2024 and compete with 150cc motorcycles. And coming to the futures part, a top speed of 135 km per hour can be achieved with a week-long charge. The electric bike can give a range of 150 km range, acceleration 0 to 60 km per hour in less than 3.5 seconds, and 0 to 80% charge within 45 minutes. And other additional benefits are VCU usage, which has an ML algorithm, CCS2 charging system, which let the customer charge anywhere with activated safety features. And it is the last but not the least news for today's video. Bangalore based electric vehicles startup Praveg is ready with its latest unveiling of an e-SUV to hit the road. Even though the corporation has not formally announced the name of the e-SUV, several hits from the company has convinced us that the new SUV will be called Defy. More information could be drawn from the teaser image released by the Praveg. We can infer that despite its boxy shape, it has svelte stylistic features such as a single-piece LED tail light that spans the width of the tailgate. We expect the launch to be any time in 2023. The new e-SUV will have a range of 504 km with a top speed of 200 km per hour on a single full charge. In just 30 minutes, you could charge it up to 80%. According to Praveg, the SUV can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 4.3 seconds only. And its peak power is 402 bhp and the peak torque is 620 Nm. They did not release any pricing details until now. Yes, I hope you people like this video. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you all in the next week. Thanks for watching.